MORPHO Coin Price Prediction. Will it hit $2.45 next? MORPHO Coin just jumped 17% in a week, with an 8% gain in a single day. Its current price is $1.58, and many are wondering if it can reach $2.45 soon. Let's break it down. MORPHO Coin's market cap is $372 million, with a $28 million trading volume. Although the volume to market cap ratio isn't ideal, the $28 million volume is still decent. The price has been rising steadily, suggesting that someone may be quietly accumulating the coin. On the 12-hour chart, the RSI is in the highest zone, indicating a potential for more upside movement. A short-term target of $1.75 represents a 10% gain from the current price. However, the ideal entry point for a strong position would be around $1.42, a key support level. In the midterm, the chart shows a series of lower lows and lower highs, highlighting a downtrend. To confirm a bullish reversal, MORPHO Coin needs to break above $1.75. If it does, the next target would be $2.45, a massive 40% upside. However, a rejection at $1.75 could trigger a pullback to $1.41, which would be an ideal buying zone. Breaking above $1.75 would pave the way for a surge to $2.45, representing a 75% gain for those who buy at $1.41. That's our analysis on MORPHO Coin. Always do your own research before investing. Drop a comment with your predictions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto updates.